Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free AK47 rifle in Roblox Wanted game. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Alright, first of all, you have to go in this location on your map. Just normally select this location and come to this place. Right now, I'm gonna use my car and going to this location. And after going there, I'll show you how to get the gun. So this is the place I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Come to this location and enter through the gate. Once inside, you will notice a dark vibe. This is where we'll find the AK47. The area is actually called the criminal hideout. As soon as you arrive at this spot, you will see an AK47 crate. Just walk up to it and press E to collect the gun instantly. Now press tab to equip and use it easily. And that's it. How to get a free AK47 rifle in Roblox Wanted game. I think this video will help you. If it helps, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.